Hi everybody, welcome. I'm Sanjoy once again in front of you with another video, and in this video I'm just going to show you a very incredible and nice place you are just watching behind of me. It is a very great Kali temple beside the Bashtala Bazar in Kaliganj Upazila. Today I have come here to take a tour, and as possible I will try to describe about the scenarios and the foundations of this temple ground part to part, so that you can get a very nice and easy consumption about it. Actually, it's the front side of this temple you're just watching now, and it's a Kali temple. Actually, it's a Mahashasan ground in here, and the total area is very neat and clean. There are other some little temples around me. You are just watching, and now you are just watching the fireplace of this Mahashasan temple ground. Actually, this fireplace is very clean and clear. If I go very close to this place, you will get a very clear notion. And actually, the dead bodies normally come here and process finally by maintaining the religions, rules and regulations of Hinduism. And here, the Kali temple is very attracting and mind catching. Now, I am appeared in front of the Kali temple. You are just watching it, and if I go very close to the temple, you will find a very nice scenarios in here. And in the other side, it was the empty way of this temple ground, and total temple ground is completed with concrete foundation, and it looks very beautiful, neat and clean and mind blowing. And in that side, if I go and try to go, you will get a very nice and mind catching natural scenarios in here. The many kevla and other trees are grows here more, and actually it's very near to the Sundarban, and surrounding this situation you will get various types of the Sundarban in here, because the many kinds of trees of Sundarban are grows here very fast, because the total environmental condition is as same as the World Heritage Sundarban area. Today I have come here and took a tour to make a video by describing about the foundation of this ground, so that I can make a development in my English speaking. Actually, it's not the main intention to show you the total ground, or rather I wanted to show you how can you express everything in English. Actually, today I'm trying for my level best to describing the part of this temple ground and the scenarios of the temple ground carefully, so that you can get a clear consumption about how to proceed you to develop your English speaking, and how can you practice it in your daily life. Very nice and incredible mind-blowing situations everywhere, and coming to these situations I am getting very fine. And it's a very tiny river flows now behind of me, and many kinds of trees surrounding me looks very fine, and it has created very nice environment. Actually, this place is very quiet, very nice, and if you come here with a spouse and your desired persons and friends and family, you will get very serious from here. Okay, I think this ground is very attractive for you, and today I have come here to describe the various scenarios as well as the temple ground and the various foundations of fear as the part of my practicing English speaking. So everybody please carry it on with me. Next time I will appear in another place, and there I will practice my English speaking. So anybody want to take this journey of English speaking can accept easily, and I can continue it easily. If you try respectively and daily practice uh, consistently, I think the fluency as well as the confidence will come in you, and one day you will be able to describe anything in any situations in any places in English. And if you set your target to be a fluent English speaker, you should be practice more and more, and finally then you will get the uh, positive result in your own life. Okay, now today wishing you good luck and better future. And finally, if you think this video is a little bit more attractive to you, please subscribe my channel or follow my channel, and please stay with me all of my videos, and please don't forget to hit the bell icon. Okay, wishing you good luck and better future. Bye bye everybody.